guys, Salsa Queen here to all of my Salsa Queen lovers. Hi. I am going to be making a recipe. I told Cindy at Utah Foodie, this is going to be lazy cooking by Utah Foodie. Anyway, she shared this recipe with me yesterday, and I just thought I would share it with you guys. It's like so freaking easy, and that's kind of the recipes that I like because, you know, we all work, we have a busy schedule, we have kids, so we go pick them up from school, we come home, and the last thing we want to do is spend 2 hours in the kitchen, right? So I love this kind of recipes. If you guys have any easy recipes, share them with me so I can post them so everybody knows about them and can make them at home. Anyway, so I think this is what she used: a can of chili, and she made this for her son that just came from school or football. I think she went to pick him up and they were hungry, and she just came up with this, and I said, can I share this please, because it's so easy and that's kind of the recipes I like. So here we are. I put the chili in cooking pan, so I'm gonna let it heat it up. And I know that Cindy used, dang it, and I went to the store but I totally forgot. I was on the phone, I was with my daughter, and I totally forgot what kind of chips to get, but she got some kind of ranch spicy Doritos, which I thought it was pretty awesome. Well, I forgot them. So here we are, we're gonna use some Don Julio. I think you guys are all familiar with them, and they're a local brand too. So here it is, already heating up right here. And this is gonna be really yummy. I have like 4 kids in the room, they're playing Xbox, but they're pretty hungry, so I thought this recipe would work perfect today too. So thank you again, Cindy. So here we are gonna wait for that to heat up, and we're gonna be topping it with our pico de gallo today and some casa chipotle. No, it's not casa chipotle. Casa is house. It's queso chipotle, okay, Jim? That's how my husband, we used to do farmers market, he used to sell it like that. We have the casa chipotle here. It's not casa, it's queso, which is cheese, right? Anyway, so we're gonna be using these too. We're gonna be using some cheese to sprinkle. And instead of using sour cream, I'll come back to our queso. So this is a great option. Instead of using sour cream that I love, we can use some queso chipotle or creamy jalapeno, which has more flavor, so it's funner and yummier. So we're gonna be doing that. So I think what Cindy did is just pretty much heat up the can of chili, and it's almost there. And I'm gonna add some avocado to mine because I love avocados, and the season is almost over. You know, I went to the store and this lady was picking up some avocados, and I asked her, are these weapons or are these ready to eat? Because they're so hard, you can actually throw it to somebody and kill them. Just FYI. So we're gonna be putting some slices of avocado in our chili today. Okay, so I think our chili is pretty much done. Let me see, I'm gonna stick my finger in there because you guys don't get to eat it, but I do. It could be a little bit hotter. So let's wait for a little bit longer. And by the way, if you guys wanna come and cook with me one of these days, just shoot me a private message and we can coordinate so we can cook together and have some fun, right? Okay, I think this is good. And you can add some hot dogs in here. I'm very picky with my hot dogs. I only use the very expensive ones because I have a think about hot dogs and how they're made and all that fun stuff. So anyway, but you can choose whatever hot dogs you want if you want to add some to it. So I'm going to turn this off, and then I am going to put that whole thing of chili in a bowl, because what I'm going to do, this is going to be more like a party meal, and I'm just going to let everybody just serve themselves. So I'm going to turn this off. Let's see, because that's kind of noisy, right? Okay, so our chili is right here, so ready. And what did you do, Cindy? I forgot. But let's put some pico de gallo, some queso chipotle. Just mix it up a little bit. Is this your favorite? Which one is your favorite? My favorite is actually pico de gallo because it's so fresh and so good. Anyway, so we're gonna just put some queso on top. And as they go, they can just grab it from there with their chip. And then we're gonna put some cheese. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. And then what I like to do with the seed, I just like to push the avocado a little bit and extract the seed. Then we're gonna just put some slices of avocado in here. Is this here with a spoon? Do I have a spoon? You know what? They always hide from me. I don't know where they go. Anyway, I'm gonna use this. Right there. Oh yes. This is looking really good. And wasn't this super like easy? I love this kind of recipes. So send them over my way every time you think of an easy recipe. Then we're gonna add some of our pico de gallo. Isn't that so good? Look at that. So nice and fresh. Oops, I made a mess. It's okay, I'll go lick it out from the table. Okay, so then we're just gonna add some pico de gallo to it. And dang it, I forgot those awesome chips. But she used the Doritos, the flavored Doritos. So you can use any flavored Dorito that you want. And she just stick them out around the bowl. Just so they can look pretty and the kids can just grab it. And I'm making a mess over here, but that's how I cook. Who is a clean cooker? I'm not. I make a big mess and then I don't want to clean it up. So then I make my kids clean it up. Oh my gosh, I love it. This is super good. Let me bring it to you so you guys can see it. I'm coming. Okay, you guys see that? And I will post some pictures. I don't want to tip it over more because, and then I'll make a mess. But isn't that good? Yes, it is. So if you guys want to share any of your recipes, see them, share them with me or make them and share them. And I hope you guys enjoy this awesome, easy, delicious, kid-friendly recipe. Thank you.